For me, photography is my way of saying what I want, unfiltered, the way I want, in my own language. There are no rules, no guardrails, no standards set up by experts. It is me, my camera, the one that I'm shooting on, and my perspectives. Hi, my name is Susil Chaurasia, and today I wanted to talk about something that means a lot to me: photography. Specifically, why I love it and what it means to me. Photography gives me the freedom to capture what I find interesting, what excites me, what resonates with me. Often, photos I find interesting comes out to be random. And one of the favorite photographers that I truly admire, James Topses, he says, "There's nothing in this world that won't be interesting to somebody living on the other corner of this world." Well, I don't know if the globe has got corners, but I think he is right. And after having moved to another continent just last year, I have realized that he is right even more. Photography allows me to capture ordinary in an extraordinary way. So what kind of photos do I take? Is it going to be full of random moss growing on rooftops in the UK? Or is it going to be quiet alleys with rice husk roofs I stumbled upon once upon a time when I was there in Oxford? Or is it going to be a dock perched on a boat along canals in London? Maybe that's a little creepy, but interesting nonetheless. Or maybe a cat posing under a bicycle? Or maybe she was just terrified of a stranger pointing a camera at her. Who knows? Or a scooter locked to a telephone pole, perfectly summarizing London in a nutshell. If you are a Londoner and I have offended you, I'm really sorry. I may not have all the answers right now. With these videos, I want to mainly document my journey, compile my own stories, and maybe someday look back at it to understand why I find these pictures interesting. So if I have to answer the original question, why do I love photography? I'd say it's my way of keeping my creative side alive. This may not resonate with everyone, but it's something I can always look back on when life feels like never-ending chase of happiness. And I have been taking pictures for over a decade at this point. And it's now more than ever, I have started to realize that photography is only half of the story. And other half is exactly these videos and the story I get to tell behind every picture. And over time, hopefully I'll get to say this without getting nervous when I'm in front of a camera. If you have made it this far, thank you. I really appreciate it. If you would like to stick around for future videos, feel free to subscribe to the channel. At this point, I can't really promise a weekly uploads, but I'll definitely make sure to put my efforts toward pushing a video when I feel like I have something worth sharing that is worth your time. Thank you.